folks what happen when you relentless and your actions start to match the path of what you intended. Put the time in the...
So guys, what's up by the way? Welcome again guys. Today we are unboxing and reviewing something that we don't think it is. But I feel like I'm getting old. You know, when you're getting old, you get to indulge things that you never thought you were going to unbox in your life. So today guys, we're gonna be unboxing, I don't know what to call this. It's something to make your house clean and weird and stuff. It's gonna look really nice in your home, and also gonna help you clean some stuff. So without wasting time guys, please click your subscribe button. If you like our videos, we try as much to help you, you know. And if you hate them, please leave the comments below. Why you hate them? Like why, man? Why? Other than that, let's get this video started.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo, what's up guys? My name is Supermoto, aka the Zoom Machine, and today guys, we are unboxing a multi-electrical cleaning brush. Like guys, have you ever imagined me unboxing this thing? I'm getting old or something. Anyway, besides me getting old, guys, we got a brush here which looks nice. It cleans stuff, it does everything. But let me tell you what they tell me when I look at this thing. It has so many writing things here. It's an electrical brush, obviously, and it supports a lot of things. But anyway, it says it's a fast charger in 3 hours. You can charge this, and you can use it for 90 minutes without charging it again. So it means you have 90 minutes of using it. And the maximum power you can do is 25 watts, which is, I don't know, impressive or not, I don't have a clue. It's just power. And also it works on battery. And what else? It has a multiple brushes that it comes with here. I'm trying to show you here. These are all the brushes that it comes with. Like, I don't know what they say, 3 in 1, 4 in 1, 5 in 1, 6 in 1, 7 in 1, 8 in 1, 9 in 1. There's a lot of brushes that comes with it. And yeah, today we're gonna be unboxing it and maybe do an example for you to show you what it does and do this. And also we bought this thing at Takealot. So again, Takealot. Hey, how about the sponsor? One day, Takealot, one day. Anyway, we got this from Takealot, as you know me. I always order things on Takealot. So we got this at Takealot. It was 437 Rand in December. So maybe, I don't know, the price might change, but I was around 437 Rand. There are cheaper ones and there are more expensive ones that are there. I chose this one because it was the most reviewed, most good comments and less bad comments about it. But yeah, anyway, without wasting time, let's unbox it and I'm gonna show you how it looks like, what components it has. And also after that, we're gonna show you when it works and we're gonna connect all of these components. Okay, not all of them, some of them, just to show you how it does. Anyway, let's get the show opening here. Let's get this thing, let's start opening this stuff and show you how it goes. And also, yeah, we're gonna have to come closer to me and see how it looks like, guys. Okay guys, right now we are opening what is inside here and checking out what they brought us. As you can see guys, multiple brushes here which are showing up. Firstly, this is the extender that you use to extend, which I'm going to show you how it's going to be connected. After that, it's multiple sets of things, and also obviously when I show you the machine, the mechanism that you must show you, that I need to show you how it looks like, guys. Basically, this is how it looks like. We're gonna go into deeper details when you're looking at it. And also after that, the amount of brushes that we have to see, guys. These are all the amount of brushes you're gonna see. These are all the brushes, guys. Yeah, these are all the brushes. These are the big ones, small ones, tiny ones, and also these are all the soft sponges that are used on this thing. When I learn how to connect them together, guys, there is multiple. Like I showed you guys, there's 4 in 1, there's 9 in 1. There's a lot. The set is filled up with everything, and also comes with a cable for charging it, because obviously you have to charge it. And also it's a Type-C cable that you can put on a charger. So if you have a Type-C cable, you basically can do it. And also there is a manual if you want to read the manual. Yeah, there's a manual, you can read it and figure out how to use it and stuff like that. Yeah, so stuff like that. And also the black thing inside the box here, which is used to stick. I will show you where it sticks and it makes the sponges move smoothly. Yeah, anyway, let me get to show you how these things look like. I just wanted to show you from the top how everything looks like, guys. So guys, as you've seen, guys, we have unboxed everything here. We're gonna put the box on the side here, guys, and also the machine. So basically, if you look clearly here, so basically this is the power on, which you turn it on, and the motor spins here, and it shows you the battery, how much is it full or not. And also, if you press this thing once, it's gonna go to its full speed. Press second time, it's a low speed, and if you press it again, it's off. So it has 2 speeds. Fast, slow, and off. That's what I can explain. And also, this rubber button, there's a charging port here. I told you the Type-C cable goes in here. As you can see, you can even plug it here as I'm showing you guys. Boom, there it is, plugged in. Yeah, anyway, after that, I'm just showing you, reading these things and showing you how everything works, guys. Okay, now, let's figure out how to connect some of these things. So first thing, you see this is a brush that you use. You're planning to use it on the shower and between the tiles, you know, because it's pointy and stuff. So let me show you how you do it. Basically, if you look inside this tunnel, there are a few designable, I want to call it design thing, which hooks inside this guy, which boom, doesn't take that long. And also after that, now you're cleaning. Yeah, well, you can clean anywhere. And also remember this, I don't want to distract it, but if you put pressure, that's when it's more power, but this is how we do it. And today, I'm just showing you how it might work. And if you're done with it, you're like, okay, I want to do it slowly, or I'm done. I'm done. Then you use your muscles, you pull it out. That's only thing I could figure out for now. I don't know if there's another way of doing it, but same thing with this brush, you see. Boom, there it goes. Now you can clean. Our table is going to be clean today because I'm making an example of the table. But yeah, and remember guys, I'm just doing this with the brush because I don't want to go to the bedroom, go to everywhere that's dirty. But now, let's move this thing out, and also I'm breaking things. It's okay. We must break things so that you can test them for you. So, the other coolest thing is this one, which I'm opening it now. I didn't open it, but this is the connector or extender, which you want to extend. Basically, you can use it like alone like this, where you can do it like this. So let me show you how it works. So, okay, guys. So this is the connector. I've connected, except dropping this thing on the floor. And so right now, this is long now. See how long it is? So it has an off and an on thing, which is weird. Which is weird. Like now you can twist it around, and now we can power it on. There it is. Now it's on. You can do it, everything. You can like, hey, come here. Okay, connect. Well, that's how you can do it. And yeah, I'm just showing you every example. And after that, boom, it extends also. Again, it's long. And by the way, you have to twist it in order for you to play around with it to make it longer and shorter. After you twist it again, it says off and on. So on meaning that it's gonna move around, and on off, it means that it's gonna lock. Let me show you closely. There's the off and there's the on. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. Boom, there it is. So this is the first version. If you see that, no, my house is taller than I am. Obviously, the short people are gonna be happy with this one because, you know, long people or average people, we don't need this. But now, you guys, see now, I'm turning this thing on, and it's moving up, and also show you how high it goes. See, ceiling. When I'm sitting down, guys. It's on the ceiling, so it means I can clean the ceiling now of my place if I want to clean it. But I would suggest you clean the ceiling, but I can do it. You know, guys. There's an option now, and if you are tired of it, you see how easy it is. Boom, it's out, and also remember. You twist this guy, which you go to, where's the off button? Oh, on, and boom, there it is. It's shorter now, and you twist this one or unscrew it, I guess, because you're just screwing it. Boom, there it is. Unassembled, back to normal. We are back to normal. Now, it's come to the fun stuff, which I'm gonna try to open as thinly as I can. The sponges. The sponges are normal sponges, guys. Look at them. So look at these things. These are just sponges, guys. These are sponges that you're gonna use. About this one, you clean your pots, you wash surfaces that are softer. So now, there's a trick in this thing, which they don't tell you, but I'm gonna tell you now, guys. So you see this empty thing, I call this the empty thing, but it's the one that doesn't have anything on it because it snaps with the, let me show you when it snaps. I'm gonna try to snap it now. What's that? Okay, other side, I guess. Okay, see, it can snap here, but it doesn't have anything. It's not like a cutting saw. No, you're not cutting it. This is supposed to hold all of these sponges. This is what holds it. So if you want to do this, let me show you, guys. Let me show you. Be careful. Look at it clearly. Look at it clearly. So this guy is the secret. Unfortunately, since we're gonna open it now, if it gets old, that gets damaged by water or anything like that, then you have to get a new one. But I'm hoping you will not need to do that. But there's a paper at the back here, which is if you open it, or I'm trying to do it, but I'm not good at it. Okay, there it is. So you have to do this. It's very sticky, so you have to be careful where you stick it on. And I'm not good with stick-ons, but I'm hoping my skills in arts and culture are gonna help here. Boom! You see now what we did? We have a stick-on. So that means that this should not be used with rough momentum, but I think it's very tough because right now I don't think I can take it off now. But then after you've done that, you go smack, you push it hard, and after that you stick it in here. I don't know, I hate sticking talk about sticking things in. Okay, you connect it. Let's use that way. Cut. Boom. Now you can clean. You can clean things. See, very easy. And now I have become a clean vlogger, guys. I didn't mean to become a clean vlogger, but yeah, we can clean things. And also when you pull it out, and it's like, hi, I'm done. Hey, I'm done, remove. Okay, now it's hard. but you can remove it, guys. It's okay. It's like one of the, those shoes when you're growing up, they stick up. I don't know what the sound make, but those stick bands like that. Remember, it's this one where you clean pots with it, you clean softer surfaces with this one, like mirrors and stuff. You can use this one. And you have this softer brush, which also, I think is part of those mirror stuff, about when you're cleaning stuff. I don't know, I always think about mirrors when I see things that are like that. And also, you have this softer one. Ooh, look at this one. This is like very soft. So definitely a mirror, this one. I don't know what else is softer, but anything is softer. So all of them, they have a padding here that sticks onto this one. So yeah, we are working. We are cleaning things. Since I wanted to clean the kitchen, the table there. Let me make an example. I'm gonna put this in the damp water a bit. Then after that, I'll show you. Actually, let me stick it on first. Boom. And also remember, after you use this pad, you can wash it. And maybe order a new one after a while, but you can wash it, guys. So it means that if you're washing pots, you can go wash it and come back. Right now, I'm gonna dump this in the water and show you on this table how it's gonna work, how the light is gonna be. Let me go do that quickly.
2,000 years later.
I may have used a lot of water, but because we are smart people, doesn't matter. Okay, the thing is stick on now. Okay, we see, okay, decrease the speed. You see? We are washing the table, guys. Washing the table. I'm just washing the one side, guys. This table is gonna tell me, why did you wash my one side? Why don't you wash the whole table? But yeah, so we're washing the table. And this has water, guys. It has water. Okay, but it's too much now. Let's turn it off. Now we said, okay, we're done with you. We have too much water. Let's use something that's gonna absorb this water. Something like this. Now I want to just absorb the water, and also let me put it correctly. Boom. Okay, correctly, and now stick it back in. Now we're like, okay, let's try to absorb it, and also medium speed because I don't want to force things. But yeah. Boom. Now we just soaking all this water we did. Unfortunately, it's not as perfect as everyone might think, but it's good enough for me. Especially if I want to clean up a few things that are hard to reach. But I'm just showing you an example with the table. And with the table, guys, I can use all of these components I got here. I'm just showing you what you can do with them, as you can see here. And this one is wet now, all of them. I don't want to make them wet, all of them, but I just wanted to show you how they are. And also, if you're tired of them, like, okay, now it's done, and then you can go dry, wash this thing, and come back and clean your table a bit better. But bad example, but good example. That's how you can do it. And also, remember, you still have these other ones, which are brushes, which are things, where these ones are for tougher things, tiles. Basically, use them. I go for tiles and stuff. You basically use them like this, same thing. But right now it's not a tile here. This is a table, so I'm just showing you how it could go. But yeah, it is working perfect. Anyway, that's how far I can go to show you guys. But if you want a normal example in a bedroom, tell us. We can make a reel and show you a smaller thing in a bedroom or something like that. But yeah, today we have unboxed our, what do you call this? Multifunctional Electric Cleaning Brush. With a lot of names and weird things. It cleans everywhere. It doesn't matter where it cleans. Even the table, as you've seen, I cleaned the table even though it's wet now, but it's okay. You can wipe it later. But I cleaned everything, and with all the accessories it comes with, guys. All accessories work well with it. Yo, that's it, guys. Me from the cleaner vlogger that I have become, which I'm afraid I'm getting older now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did not enjoy this, guys, so much action was happening here. Sticks were sticking to things were extending. Yo, too much things were happening. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do, guys. Click that subscribe button, click the like button. Tell us what you think about this thing. If you want to know more questions about this, I'll try to put as much information as I can in the description, but not a lot. I'll just tell you what I think. And also, I'll put a link for the Takealot things, that Takealot link where I bought it, so that you can guys buy it yourself if you want to. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys when you're out and about doing other things. Alright? We are here. Goodbye.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.